When in a video conference, especially with a lot of participants, it's hard to focus on everything. If you spend all your time taking notes, you miss the chance of being involved in the conversation, and you may still miss key information that you'd need later in your work. That's why recording your video conferences is a great solution, so you could always go back to the meeting and recap on anything that you missed. Naturally, online meeting tools such as Zoom have their own recorders built in, but if you're not the host, you can't initiate that. So all in all, it's easier if you just use an external tool like the screen recorder in the UniConverter. This screen recorder has all of the features that you need for recording a video conference in high quality. It can record audio directly from your microphone, as well as your computer's audio. You may also only record the window of your online meeting application, so you can open up other windows on your desktop in the meantime. So let's see how it works. Before you begin, download the latest version of the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com or upgrade your copy if you have it already. Then you'll find the screen recorder tool either on the hot page or within the video section of the tool. When you click on it, you can choose from multiple ways of recording, but what we're interested in right now is the screen recorder and the application recorder here. For recording video conferences, the application recorder is the best bet, in my opinion, as in the meantime, you might open Excel sheets and pitch decks that would interrupt the visuals of your screen recording if you choose the regular way of recording your entire screen. Recording that way, however, has also benefits because you can use the drawing tools and recording yourself as well with your webcam, but I think that's more for creating online lessons and presentations. So the next step is clicking on the application recorder. And in this window, the tool will list all of the applications that you have up and running on your computer. Naturally, choose your online meeting application. Next, down here you can select your microphone and your speaker. And then if you click on the settings here, you can choose an output folder for your recorded file, change frame rate settings and other attributes. Finally, start recording your video conference. When the conference is over, simply click on the stop button here to stop the recording. Your file will be saved. Now you can easily go back to this recording and even share it with your colleagues. Alright, I hope this was helpful, and if so, be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, I'll catch you in the next video.